In this video, I'm going to show you 2 things you need to implement that is going to allow you to work less but earn more money, and I can guarantee that we're all interested in that. So guys, here's a story for you that I need to share with you so you guys can understand where I'm coming from with this. I had a friend the other day come into my office. She had a lot of work to do. I mean, like, she was up the wazoo. But here's the thing, she's trying to expand her business. She wants to go out and market her business to new clients, but she just doesn't have the time. So that specific day, she was stressed. She was like, let me tell you what happened, right? So that day, she was planning on going out to market her business to new clients and to create new ads. Because, you know, that's how you get more clients, that's how you get more money. But she had like 200 emails to send out. It was a super chaotic day. So, I mean, we were talking it over, right? And she put out a plan there. She was like, she suggested, well, maybe if I get an employee that can do these minuscule tasks for me, I'll have more time to focus on marketing and on ads. To which my response is, I mean, that's kind of a paradox though, because if you get a new employee, I mean, it's a paradox because in order for you to get a new employee, you have to be earning more money. You can't hire a new employee if you're not earning more money, right? So, I mean, we were talking it through and walking it back. So I suggested to her, well, how about instead of you hiring an employee, you just automate this minuscule task that you have? And she was interested. Anybody would be. I've done this before in other businesses. So I suggested to her, there's platforms that you can use. There's softwares, actually, not platforms. There's softwares that you can use that will allow you to send, like, all you have to do is put in the person's email. You can pre-write the email, because the email she was sending out was like all the same thing. You just had to take out the email, switch the emails, switch the person's email, and then send it out. But that task it's copy and pasting, so that task takes time, especially when you're sending out 200 emails. So I suggested to her, okay, you can use this software. You can pre-write the emails, and then you can just send it all out. You just place the contacts in, and the email send it all out for you at a specific time of your choosing. That allows you to step away from the minuscule work, which is just super crap that you really don't need to, because you have softwares to take care of that for you. And I mean, that applies to any business. Let's say you just met new clients and you want them to reach out to you, but you don't have time to be sending out emails every freaking time. All you have to do is set up a series of emails. This one gets sent out on this day, that one gets sent out on the other day, the third one gets sent out on the 10th, 15th day, whatever it is. You can set up a string of emails that's going to allow you to, once you put that person's email in, so you just met your client, you shook your hands with them, you got their information, you got their email, so you follow up. All you have to do is put their email inside this software, and it'll automatically start sending out emails to them. You don't really have to focus on it. You can set up like different rules, like once they respond, you can stop, yada, yada, yada. If you want more information on that, just hit me up in the Facebook group and we can talk it over a little bit. But yeah, I mean, there's softwares like that. So I told her, use something like that. You don't need to hire a new employee. You can automate your business, and that's the first key. That's the first tip. You gotta find ways in whatever business you are. There doesn't matter what business you're in, every single business has a way for you to automate it. So you gotta find ways to automate it. It's that simple. And then the second thing that I want to talk to you about is something I've implemented on my online retailing store, right? For those of you who don't know, I'm a loan signing agent. I own an online retailing store, and I also own an ATM business. And it's something I've implemented on my online store that I think can be implemented to several other businesses as well. So the task of uploading, I mean, you gotta take this information I'm providing for you and see how you can implement it in your own business. It's that simple. So the task of uploading products onto my store it takes up too much time, way too much time that I don't have. And I know that sometimes you guys also, you're busy and you don't have time to be doing these minuscule tasks. So when you can't automate the task by using some sort of software, I mean, there's so much software these days that you can, the next thing you want to do is outsource. You have to figure out what in your business is a simple task that is repetitive, that instead of you doing it, you can just outsource it. So my online store, that would be uploading products. So you can go to websites such as Fiverr or Upwork, where you can hire somebody to do those minuscule tasks for you. So I mean, look, yes, you're gonna spend some money on outsourcing some sort of work, some work sometime. Again, this is for my personal use. Look, you guys have different businesses. Every single one of you, the people who watch my video, you guys are real estate agents, you guys are loan signing agents, loan officers, escrow officers, you have online stores, you have ATM businesses. So look, you have to implement this in your own business. What can you, let me know in the comments, what can you outsource and what can you automate in your business that will allow you to get more time to market your business? Once you market your business and you're bringing in more, generating more income, yes, you can then hire an employee to do these works for you, so you don't have to always be outsourcing. So what can you outsource in your business? In my case, it was uploading the products. So yes, again, going back to what I was saying, you're going to spend some money, but you have to look at the cost benefit. You have to do a cost benefit analysis, right? That 1 or 2 hours that you've just wasted doing a task that could have been automated or it could have been outsourced. What can you have done with those 2 hours? With 2 hours, you can definitely go out to market to at least 5 clients, depending on what type of business you are and how far each client is. With those 2 hours, you could go out to market to 5 clients. And let's say that those 5 clients generate $5,000 in revenue for your business. You've just spent, give or take, $100 to $150 to outsource whatever you were doing or to automate whatever you were doing to someone else, so you can have those 2 hours to generate $5,000 of income for your business. So you guys, again, implement this for your business, but you have to do a cost analysis benefit to you. So if it makes sense to hire somebody to do that 2-hour task, so you have time to market and bring in income, you have to step away from your business and allow someone to do those minuscule tasks so you can bring in more income. Look, if you guys are a new subscriber, comment below that you just subscribed to my channel. If you feel this video has provided some sort of value to you, don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell, because then you're notified whenever I drop some content like this. If you guys want to see more content on how you can grow your business, whatever industry you're in, so you can grow your business, smash that subscribe button and smash the bell so you're notified whenever I post a video. This is your boy Elias. Peace.